everyone, this is Cindy, Create the Heart, and I'm here to share a haul and some projects from In Love Arts shop. In Love Arts has a variety of dies and papers and other things on their website. I'm going to go ahead and put some links down below, including codes where you can save 15% off in their shop. And I believe there's free shipping if you spend over $25. And everything in there is pretty good price. So let me first share with you what I got. So I got this, which is like, these are like star bursts. I have some ideas to use these. I think these would be really great, layered as a cluster like you do with, scalp circles, other items that you use to make like little clusters and things. I think this would be really cute with that. Also make some cute stars. Could be used as snowflakes. I'll show you what I use them for. I also have these, they come together. These are two sizes of topper style dies. So I used only the big one in my projects. Then I also have this, which makes kind of a smallish like pocket. Show you that. And then this, which is like a candy die. Okay, so let me show you. So the candy die, the lollipop die, makes these super cute lollipops. I've got a bunch here. And then I'm also going to show you guys some projects that I made using these. These are the ones that I kind of have left over that I haven't used yet. So I did a couple of cards. So here is the first card, and I'm using this cute, this is a Greeting Farm stamp set. I think it's called Lolly. It's an older one that I had bought in a D-stash. And so I just used some paper, I believe from my stash, but I think, not sure what this one is. Girl Squad, I think, is that paper. So I just went ahead and I colored her in with Copics. I did use a little bit of stickles on her. And then I have my little lollipop here, which kind of matches the lollipop that she has right there. So that's this one. And then I did a slimline card. This is a slimline card. And I used this little girl, which I think is intended to be, I think the idea is more like Christmas, I guess, because I have two stamp sets that are together and the other one's definitely like Christmas oriented. But I just made her for every day, and this is CC Designs. So I went and stamped her, cut her out, used the same sentiment. It says, "You're the sweetest." I use some of my favorite little heart kind of puffy stickers here. And then on top, I have two little lollipops in my little slimline card. And I really love how that one came out. That one's really, really fun. So that's two of the things I use with a lollipop. Also with the lollipops and the topper die. This is the large topper die. And I'm using paper from the Hooray collection from Crate Paper, American Crafts, and this is Crate Paper. I did use that. And so I just put some of my little lollipops in a bag, and then this particular bag topper just kind of fit perfectly. So this paper is all from the Hooray paper. So I put my little lollipops in the cellophane bag with a little backing, and then I just cut this out. This is a fairly intricate die. I think that if you use a shim when running through this die, it'll be easier for you to get it out. So I did find a little bit hard to get it out because it is very intricate. So kind of keep that in mind with this, but it's very pretty. So I used that. That's what I used for that one. And then the pockets, which is this big one right here, this die right here, I made two different styles. So, I mean, you can fool around with that however you want. Hoping that I think it will fit. Penguins. I don't have penguins anywhere. Someone gave me this. There's no penguins anywhere. But anyways, the way that it's intended, it kind of opens just like this. So that's kind of how it opens. I just did a sticker that I had, and this is all from the Hooray paper. And this sticker is from that same collection. And so it opens up like that. And then you could put money, a note, gift card does fit in here, but it might like pop out, you know, but there you go. You can do that. Okay. So that's one style with this. And then this one, what I did was I actually have these little bags that I had gotten from Tuesday morning. So I decorated. So what I did with this one is that I glued it shut. I glued it shut, and then I just decorated it with some stickers from the Hooray collection on the front, and then on the little bag. And then I put that in here like that. So this, then you could put money in here, a gift card. And then this way, if you do something like this, and you can size a little something to fit in here like this, then the gift card doesn't pop out. So I kind of liked doing that. So then it's like that. And then it's just something cute that you can give really quickly as a gift. So there's that. And then the last thing that I had to show you was I used the Starburst, and I tried to be a little bit more sort of creative with it. So I'm using this Doodlebug Patriotic Parade. I didn't do anything really 4th of July-ish this year. Just so busy with the coronavirus and just working from home and dealing with my kids. It's been an adventure. But I happened to have this cute little doodle pop house. And so I thought it would be really cute to use those starbursts as sort of almost like fireworks, kind of. But I used the fireworks paper from Doodlebugs, and I think it came out kind of cute. And so all this paper is from this patriotic collection from Doodlebug. And then I just kind of layered it on top. I used my scallop punch. I just popped the little Doodlebug house. I found this Hip Hip Hooray stamp set, or the sentiment. I believe it's from, I forget what stamp set. Maybe Hello Bluebird. This little heart also comes with this Doodlebug. And then all I did was just cut the small starburst 3 times out of this this firework paper. And so one I just kind of layered behind, and then the other 2 I popped up on a foam dot, give it a little bit of dimension, and it's super simple. It came together really quickly, and it's really cute. But there's lots of different ways to use that starburst die. And so anyway, these are the projects, you know, that I made with the dies that I got from the In Love Arts shop. So you might want to go ahead and check them out, because I mean, you can do quite a bit of things with them, just, you know, depending on your own style, right? So, you know, this is more my style right here. So I went ahead and did my favorite thing, which is make cards and use these cute lollipops. And then, of course, packaging up some to have in my stash. If I get back into doing, you know, Happy Mail sends and things like that, then I have things packaged and just ready to go when I want to do it. So I thank you for watching. Make sure that you visit the links down below this video so that you can see what I got. It goes directly to the shop, and then you can also get your coupon code. Thank you for watching. This is Cindy, Creating the Heart.